Hi guys, welcome back. I have another journal share for you. I made this junk journal in TN size, a soft cover, and I used Medieval Mirage, the Chic Tapestry of Time, and the add-ons of Baroque Beauties. And in the front I printed one of the images on tea-stained fabric, and I made some collaging with different pieces of laces. And this is vintage linen upholstery fabric. Some texture here. And it's constructed in form of a trifold, so that when you carry this around, because travel's notebook, you can protect your pages with this flap here. Or you put this flap like so if you want to see the laces. Okay. And it's also planner, because there are 12 undated weekly spreads in here. And if you are like me and you don't journal every day, it could last maybe for half a year. Depends how much you journal. So in the front there is a lace pocket with the same image printed on presentation paper or photo paper. So there are 4 signatures, and altogether you have 160 pages front and back, which is quite a good amount, I think. So, and I have to say, Jarve's DigiKits are marvelous. They are beautiful, and yeah, there are so many images. You can easily make several different journals out of one kit. Seriously, it's unbelievable. Isn't that gorgeous? Here's an envelope clipped on there with journal card in it. Some music sheet paper, and I printed also some pages on vellum, which is also very nice. Look, you can write on it easily. This is one of the weekly plans, always month and then Monday to Sunday. Side pocket here with a journal card, and I did some faded stamping here, script stamping here too, and here's an old book page with an envelope clipped on, some stenciling, flowers or roses. It's also so nice. Here's a little pocket with a journal card. So another weekly spread. And here too. And another journal card. And this is a fold out. When you open it up, you have these 3 slightly mini trifold. This is from the Baroque Beauties, this Shabby Chic backgrounds. They are very beautiful. I use them also for other tags or backgrounds. I love them. And on this side there are several images. I will do that later. And here is another journal card, all clipped on here with this clip. I will do this later. So here is a big journal card, like a booklet clipped on there. And this is a flip tag connected with a piece of muslin. It's folded on here. Another piece of vellum. Little side pocket with the journal card. Here I did some collaging on this old book page, and behind tucks a journal card, and here is a side pocket with another little one here, which is actually a little booklet. Another envelope there. Here I made a pocket out of 2 journal cards and a little tag. Big journal card in this side pocket. Another side pocket. And here is a journal letter. And this belly, behind this belly band. And here another lace pocket with little journal cards. If you want to make more pockets, you can use them for this. Okay, so we close it up. And the ribbon will go over it. So that's it, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I say bye till next time. Tschüss, bis zum nächsten Mal.